Today we will be looking at a 5-minute day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of indicators and strategies over on my other YouTube channel, and I am constantly testing more. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with custom indicators. We have an amazing community on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader, and you will get access to our custom indicators as well as the spreadsheets of hundreds of tested indicators and strategies when you become a Patreon member. So even if this strategy isn't great, we have you covered. Links below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a 5-minute day trading strategy. So, this strategy consists of just 3 indicators, not different indicators, but 3 indicators, 3 EMA set at different periods. And so before we take a look at the strategy to see if it's even profitable and worth looking at, let's go ahead and go over the numbers real quick. So, we did a 50 trade test like normal. Out of those 50 trades, we got 27 winning trades, we got 23 losing trades. Puts us right at a 54% win rate. Now, in this particular case, the risk reward on this strategy is 1 to 1.5. And so with the 54%, that does put us in a profitable range. So let's go ahead and take a look at the strategy. So as I said, it consists of 3 different moving averages, 3 different EMAs. First one's going to be set on a 25 period. Had that one wrong, not a 9, a 25 period. The next one's going to be set on a 50 period. The third one is going to be set on a 100 period. Now you can make these whatever color you want to make them, and you can make the line weight whatever size you want. And so I bumped up the line weight just a little bit here and set my colors how I see fit. And so what we are looking for is, first and foremost, the way these moving averages, the way these EMAs are stacked on top of each other. Now, some of you have probably seen this strategy quite a few times, or at least this setup here with moving averages. And so just bear with me here if you don't mind. And if you could real quick, go ahead and smash the like button on this video. Even if the strategy isn't a profitable strategy, please don't downvote the videos. It really hurts the YouTube algorithm when you do that. So go ahead and please give me a thumbs up on this video. It really helps out. All right, back to the strategy here. And so like I said, what we are looking for is the stack of the EMAs, the way they're stacked on top of each other. And so we are looking for them to be stacked for long positions where we have the shortest period, then the middle or middle period, I guess we can call it the middle period, the mid period EMA, and then the longest EMA. So the shortest, the middle, and then the longest there. So we want those stacked on each other in that case. So in this case, it's the green one, the orange one, then the blue one. Once that happens, then we are looking for long trades. Now, what you're looking for is when the EMAs, or I'm sorry, the price action pulls back into the EMAs. And so we're looking for price to pull back below the shortest EMA, the blue one there, and then we're looking for it to break back to the upside of that moving average. When we do that, that's going to be a long signal. And then, like I said, it is a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. We're going to set our stop right below this last swing low, right about here, and then target that 1 to 1.5. And you can see there that we got a nice move to the upside there, which did get us to our take profit. And you can see right here, we would have gotten the same thing. On the other side, on the short side here, so go ahead and take a look at this. This one's a little kind of bundled together, but it's still a valid signal here. So we have the EMA stacked where we have the green on top this time, the orange in the middle, and the blue on bottom. So it's the reverse of that long. We're looking for a short now. And so what we got is that break, that pullback into the EMAs. It did dive in a little deep there, so you may not have wanted to take this trade. But if you did, let's go ahead and look at it. So we would have taken the trade right here as we broke back to the downside there. We would have set our stop right about here, maybe a little lower. possibly got stopped out if you set it just a tad lower, but I would have set it right as this swing high right here. And then a 1 to 1.5 makes a push to the downside and would have gotten us to our take profit again there. So a pretty decent little strategy. It's not too bad. Now the issue is that a lot of these winning trades weren't very big. So they're basically just 5 or 6 pips on the winning side. And that can eat you up quite a bit with spreads and slippage and just general kind of commissions and stuff like that. And so it may not be the best one. Anytime you get under 5 minutes or less on Forex, unless you're dealing with a very liquid pair, a pair that moves quite a bit, then the take profit is relatively small. You often will see spreads 2 to 3 pips is not kind of unheard of. And so if your winning trade was, say, 6 pips, you've basically eaten up half of your take profit. So if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, we have a 15-minute Forex trading strategy that we have developed on our other channel, where we have tested the hundreds of indicators and strategies and use that to develop a profitable trading strategy. It is proven to be profitable. We've optimized it. We are constantly optimizing it, updating it, trying new things with it, testing it in different ways. I'll put a thumbnail of it up right now on screen. I'll link to it at the end of this video. The same thumbnail will pop up at the end of this video that you can just click on that and review that strategy video here on this channel. It's a really great strategy. It works really well. I highly recommend that you check that one out. All right, that's it for this video. We're going to go ahead and cut it here and move on to the next video from here.